What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the show today. Today, as you can probably tell from the title, we're gonna be looking at why you, yes you, should be using one of these. Now, one of my good buddies from a place called actually Car Cleaning Systems was telling me he's pretty well versed in this cleaning stuff. He said that you can completely restore your steering wheel with one of these bad boys. $2.50 for two of these things. So we're gonna put this to the test today, and we're gonna see what happens. So let's get the car inside. Alright, let's get to it. Alright guys, so here we are in the beautiful 2017 Mark 7 GTI. And as you guys can see, the wheel here is just in really bad shape. It's very shiny, it doesn't look very good. You have to think the steering wheel in your car is what you come in contact with, at least with your hands, the most. Second, probably going to be your shifter. All the oils and grease and dirt that's already on your hand is going to be on the wheel, making it look really, really gross. It's even some patchy spots up here that just really, really don't look good, and I'm hoping that this works really, really well. From the other videos I've seen and the advice I've heard, this should be really, really good. So let's get to it. So the first thing I'm going to do here, honestly, is I'm going to take a little bit of blue painter's tape and just throw it on the wheel right here up in the center to have a control where you guys can see how well it actually works and something that we can compare it to. So it kind of doubles as one of those like real sweet race things, so you know when you're back at center. Alright guys, so I have the magic eraser here, and I also have some shop towels that we're gonna use to clean up afterwards, but it's all nice and wet. We're gonna go ahead, apply it to the steering wheel and see what happens. Okay, so we are about 30 seconds into this, and look how gross this is. This is disgusting. Anyways, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna finish the wheel up, and then we're gonna look at the before and after shots. So I have it completely wiped down. This was after rinsing it once. So when you rinse it, kind of all the dirt comes off of it. But I could just be sitting here scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing forever. What I'm gonna do now is take some of these shop towels and dry it off a little bit. The only problem I see with the magic eraser is these things kind of break down really, really easily. And you get kind of these white little particles everywhere from the sponge breaking down. One downside, I guess. But I'm gonna wipe this down real quick and we're gonna take a look at it. Even as I do this, look at all this dirt coming off of it. Okay, before I show you guys this is like freaking mind-blowing. Like, my wheel looks brand new, and I cannot believe I haven't done this before. It's insane. But let's just take a look at it and let me show you guys. Hopefully this video is doing this justice. What we have now is basically like this, it's like a matte finish. It's not very shiny at all, so it looks like brand new. It's awesome. It looks so good. Me, when I'm driving, I usually have my hand right here or right about there. So these are kind of my problem areas. Now, these other areas weren't too bad when I was doing it, especially down here. But right here and right here were really, really bad. But let's go ahead and take this off and see exactly the difference. Now, one little trick I did do was I left the little flap, I just folded it on itself so I didn't have to like put my finger into the wheel and like scuff it up or anything like that. But all right, moment of truth, here we go. Ew. All right, let me wipe it off real quick because it's a little wet. You guys can definitely see. Look at that, look how gross that is. Look how shiny that is compared to everything else. It's ridiculous. Disgusting. This is absolutely atrocious. You can even see it the whole way back here, this shiny part. Oh man, I'm so glad I did this. It honestly looks so much better right now. But I'm going to go ahead and clean the rest of this off so I don't have that nasty middle marker on there. And then I'm gonna meet you guys back over the table for the final shakedown of what just happened. Alright guys, so to sum it all up, it actually worked pretty amazing. I had heard that it worked really well. You won't feel excitement until you do it yourself. It looks like a brand new steering wheel, and it's gonna give me that feeling, give you the feeling if you do this, that like, this is like a brand new car. It's like, it feels like that new car feeling. So, anyways, it came out really, really well. I think I paid like $2.49 on sale for those Magic Racers. They were just the bare minimum original ones, so it wasn't anything special. Didn't have any special scratch pad on it or anything like that. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, drop me a comment, let me know what you're thinking. If you liked the video, check out my other stuff. I have a ton of other videos, doing a bunch of other stuff with my GTI, the S2000. I'm actually gonna do the S2000 steering wheel because I was so impressed with what just happened here. Let's take a look and see what the S2000 looks like. I have a feeling it's gonna look pretty sweet after I do it, but other than that, guys, like I said, thanks for watching. We're getting hit with the remnants of Hurricane Florence here, so it's gonna be raining and crappy for like the next week, I think. So no fun. But anyways, guys, watch for more videos to come. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Peace. Okay, so I was just gonna wait and not even show you guys this, but I can't, like, this is just absolutely insanity. Look at the wheel in the Honda. It looks brand new. Look at this, I hit this. It doesn't even look real. I don't even know how to explain it, like, I don't know how I didn't know about this sooner, or how I didn't do this sooner, because this looks freaking amazing. Do yourself a favor, buy one of these, and go hit your car for a good, cheap thrill. So, alright, really this time. See you guys, bye.